Shenzhen Heijin Industrial Manufacturing Company Limited has own brand STboard. It has specialized in educational and commercial display equipment, OBM, ODM, OEM manufacturing since its establishment. It has a modern production base of 6,000 square meters in Dongguan Cooperated Factory with 100 employees. STboard has professional independent research and development and manufacturing capabilities. Products including interactive touch panel, nano blackboards, LCD video wall, and digital signet, etc. At present, we have obtained the National High-Tech Enterprise Certification and passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management Systems Certification, Intellectual Property Management Standard Certification, ISO 45001, 14001, CCC, CE, FCC, ROSH, FSB, and other certifications at the same time. We insist on controlling the refined and standardized operation of various production processes, clearly dividing dust-free workshops, production lines, assembly, aging, standardized testing, and strict packaging areas to ensure the quality production of each product. Our products sell well all over the country and have established long-term and stable cooperative relations with customers in Europe, America, South Korea, Southeast Asia, the One Belt One Road, and other countries, regions, and provide excellent interactive solutions to the Global Education Business Display Department. STboard insists in the management philosophy of technological innovation, adhering to the business philosophy of customer first, product quality with customer satisfaction as the goal, and is making products to the world with a brand new attitude.